Welcome to Chroniva. When you click Try It Free, you'll be directed to the sign up page. You can create an account with your email or choose social sign up with Google. By selecting Google, you'll go through the authentication flow. Simply pick your preferred Google account or add a new one. Chroniva will then request access to your profile information, calendar permissions, and contacts. Once you grant access, you'll be guided through the initial setup. Add multiple calendars. Define your username and contact number. Select your date and time format. Choose your time zone and set a welcome message for your booking page. After completing setup, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can instantly view a list of events fetched from your connected calendars. Here, you can check meeting details, organizer name, time, and the calendar where the event is blocked. When you enable Contact Sync, Chroniva automatically imports your calendar contacts, making them available in the Contacts module for easy scheduling. You can also connect Google Meet by granting access. Once integrated, you can schedule meetings by entering meeting details, selecting Google Meet as the location, setting the time, and adding attendees. All scheduled meetings will appear on your dashboard, and the same events will automatically be blocked in your connected calendar.